Welcome students. Today we will study the next topic in our syllabus, which is community. In this topic we have to study the definition of community, then basic concept and types of community. Now it also includes the structure of community, then the characters of community and community succession. Okay, in this slide, we will first see the definition of community. What is community? Here, the term community is referred to as biotic community, which is a local association of several populations of different species or communities in an assemblage of populations that living organisms in a prescribed area or habitat. Okay, here it is local association of many populations, and these populations include different species or may also called as community. Okay, and it is assemblage of living organisms, and in particular area or particular described habitat. Now biotic community assumes a variety of forms as diverse as life itself. Here it includes a tropical forest, a coral reef, a greenland, a temperate desert. Okay, it also includes an Arctic slope or the benthic depth of oceans, and which have tremendous variations which occur in natural calamities. Now we have to study the two types of communities. These two are the major communities and minor communities. First, we will see what is major community. A major community is the smallest ecological unit that itself sustain and self-regulating. It is made up of large number of smaller minor communities that are not altogether self-sustaining. For example, forest and ponds are major communities. Decaying logs and hills are minor communities. Okay. The members of major community are relatively independent of other communities, and they provided that they receive radiant energy from the sun. These members normally show a similarity in their physiological makeup, behavior, and mode of life. Then we will see the types of community. There are 6 to 7 various types of community that we have to study in this topic. These are the enlisted here in slides. You can see first one is the temperate forest community, second one Arctic tundra community, third one northern coniferous forest, then fourth grassland community, fifth desert community, sixth estuarian community, and seven tropical rainfall or rainforest community. Okay, we will see them one by one. First, we will see the temperate forest community. Here, the structural base of entire community is soil. Okay, all the community members, all biological members, they belong or they live on the soil. It supplies the fundamental of nutrients and water. Okay, who supplies? Soil supplies. The soil is composed of various layers. The upper layer is called as topsoil, and it consists of living roots of many plants. It also includes mycelia of fungi. Then it have abundance of bacteria, protozoa, algae, and other microorganisms. And It also includes a variety of many burrowing animals like nematodes, mollusks, annelids, insects, many arthropods, amphibians, reptiles, moles, shrews, etc. All they accommodate in the soil. It also consists of dead and decaying organic material of plants and animal origin. Where all these are present? These are present on the top layer of soil. Then the soil formation is a very slow process of ecological maturation, and the rate at which these processes occur, it varies greatly according to climate, topography, substrate, biologic community, and all those ecological factors which influence the process itself. Here the temperate soils are millions of years ago. The tropical soil, okay, where is tropical? The area of earth surrounding the equator, it is called as tropical. The tropical soil develops rapidly, but they are thin and susceptible to the destructions. From the floor of the forest, the biotic community thin it out to a certain extent. Animals become more widely spaced in three dimensions, and they become more mobile. Here, the plant community is dominated by herbs and shrubs, and the animal community by insects, birds, and mammals. Okay, it is the first type of community. Then, second type of community is Arctic tundra. Okay, as name itself indicates, the Arctic region of Earth. Okay. Arctic tundra is the biotic community occupying in northern latitudes, okay, to the north part of the earth. The dominant plants are lichens, named reindeer's moss, the Arctic grasses and sedges, and some dwarf shrubs, cranberry, etc., are present. During the short summer, the following season is abrupt and colorful. The vegetation is underlain by spongy mass of undiluted dead vegetation. Here, the bacterial action is slow due to low temperature as this area is covered with snow, and here temperature is very low, and the substrate is often permanently frozen. That condition is called as permafrost. Okay, in this way, it is the Arctic tundra second type of biotic community. Then remaining types of biotic community we will see in the next class. The students will stop here. Thank you.